SYBOLT brings your creativity and housing needs into the spotlight. From brick type to grout color to masonry bond, any facade can be customized at the click of a button. Smart software interfaces translate these unlimited opportunities into a tangible construction process. Welcome to the Smart Factory, where SYBOLT has established itself as the missing link within the industrialization of modular construction. And it's not just the laborious and time-consuming masonry that's a thing of the past. Because the facade is entirely completed in factory, we facilitate a building process that is high quality, sustainable, and circular in a fully controlled environment. No inconvenient weather, no excessive waste, just an unparalleled output. Using cementitious or pasty glue, the brick slips are applied to wooden and concrete facade panels. This facade is then automatically grouted and prepared for installation. The entire process is fully validated. We know of every slip, where it comes from, and the conditions under which it has been placed. This makes SYBOLT the world's first fully automated facade installation, with the same age-old masonry quality you expect from regular construction. Fast, reliable, SYBOLT.